class. So adjectives, three types we have already discussed. Is it quality of adjective, quantity of adjective, demonstrative adjective? Now today the last type of adjective we'll discuss, that is interrogative adjectives. So interrogative means questioning. We know that one, is it? So the pronouns, interrogative pronouns like what, whose, which, how. Okay, what, whose, which, how. These interrogative pronouns, while it will used before a noun, then it is known as interrogative adjectives. Clear? It tells or actually modifying the noun. It is actually modifying the noun and questioning about questioning with this what, whose, which, how with this interrogative pronouns. Clear? So the adjectives which the interrogative pronouns which used before the noun is known as interrogative adjectives. It actually modifies noun and it questions with what, which, how, whose, this interrogative pronouns. Clear? So two examples I am writing. You see, whose umbrella is this? Which pen do you want? Now, in this two sentence, you see this whose, which, before the noun it has used. Is it whose, which, before the noun it has used? This is a noun. Is it? So these two pronouns are used before the interrogative pronouns are used before the noun. So it is adjective. It is modifying that noun. That whose umbrella is this? Questioning. Whose umbrella is this? Which pen do you want? It is actually questioning and modifying that particular nouns. Is it? So it is known as interrogative adjectives. So the adjectives which modifying the nouns and questioning with what, which, how, this interrogative pronouns is known as interrogative adjectives. Clear? So hopefully four of the types are very clarified to you, because separately we have discussed with the examples. Clear? Quality, it is what kind of noun it is telling us, that is quality. Is it? Quantity, the number. It is how many, how much the noun is there. State of quantity is given, that is quantity of noun. Demonstrative, I said four pronouns you have to keep it in mind. These, those, that, these. These are the pronouns, demonstrative pronouns which is using before the noun is known as demonstrative. And similarly what, whose, which, how, these pronouns used before the noun known as interrogative adjectives. So these four types of adjectives are here, we have discussed with the examples. So just try to learn those. Okay, and let's see exercise E. Here we have to identify the different kinds of adjectives first, then categorize them in the table. So table is under given, there only we'll write. Okay, so in the first sentence, let's see. The young boy ate those tomatoes. So here, which are the adjectives? Young, another one, those. Now young, which kind of? It is telling what kind of noun it is. What kind of boy? Young boy. So what kind of? It's a quality. So young in the qualitative and those demonstrative. Clear? So let's do that one like this. So I'm writing the adjectives first. Quality, quantity, demonstrative. And short form, with this short form I'm writing here so that the column can be made properly. Okay, now number one. So two adjectives we got, young and those. Young is actually what kind of noun it's referring. So young will be in the quality. Okay, and those is in demonstrative. So number 1 done. Number 2 sentence. Many children came to the green park. So many, one of the adjectives, and another one green. So many, it's a quantity, it's stating how many students or children are there. So how many, how much, these questions we know it refers to quantity. So many will be in the quantity. And you see the green park, kind of park, which park? Green park, clear? So here green will be in the quality. So number 2 done. Number 3, you see, this brush is to be used for white paint. This is demonstrative, and white paint quality. So here will be white. Done. Number 4, which duck did the 3 chicks play with? Now which and 3, 2 adjectives we got. Which duck, it is interrogative. Just now we have discussed, before the noun it has used which duck. So which will be interrogative. Okay. And 3 chicks, that will be in the quality. Quantity 3. Number 5, they have enough bread for 2 weeks. Enough is what? Enough is 2 weeks. So enough is a quality, enough, and 2, that is in the 2. So write that one. Enough is quantity or quality? Is it? So enough, that one right here. Enough bread quality 2 weeks. Number 5 done. Number 6, which bag is yours? Which bag? It is interrogative. So here only. Number 6 done. Number 7, several soldiers live in that camp. So several in the quantity, and that camp, that will be in the demonstrative. So several here quantity. Okay. And that will be the demonstrative. Number 7 done. Number 8, what ice cream flavor would you like? So what ice cream? So what will be the interrogative adjectives? So number 8 I am writing here. What is that? What? Only one. So this is only the answer of exercise E. Now let's come to exercise F. What is that? You have to complete the passage using suitable adjectives already has given in the brackets. Okay, from there only. So this one I am rubbing. Hopefully you have done. Just copy it in that particular table only. No need to write this one in the copy. Okay, this exercise in the book only you will copy. And the next one also you will copy in the book only. F. What is that? Look, my mother planted sapling. One is there. So, singular, this. So, first will be this. This sapling yesterday. Now, flowers. So, those flowers that you see. Second one will be those flowers that you see over there are looked after by her. These orange flowers. Yes. So these orange flowers look so pretty. I love to sit under the shade of this banyan tree. One banyan tree. So it will be this. I'm curious to know which flower is your favorite. Which flower is your favorite? What a beautiful garden it is. What? So here only the demonstrative and interrogative adjectives we got in exercise F. Clear? So that only the chapter adjective. So up to this just revise all the types with the examples. Okay, and with the definition also. try to do, and EF in the book only will write. Okay, next class again we'll revise adjective once, then we'll start the next chapter. Okay, till then just revise those. Thank you class.